that a good popsicle? Is that a good popsicle, Olivia?
Good girl, Morgan.
Is that yummy? Is that good?
It's a little tart, isn't it?
Isn't it? Is it a little bit tart? We're having rhubarb strawberry popsicles. Good girl, Morgan. You already broke into it. Do you like yours, Olivia? You're not sure, hey? Not sure? Is that a yummy one? Yeah? Hey, Morgan, just going to town. Is that good? You're not sure, Olivia? It's our first time having popsicles. Mommy made you popsicles. I know. It's not very sweet. Next time, Mommy will make sweeter ones. Alright, say bye-bye. Is that yummy? Are you finished, Morgan? She'd rather eat spaghetti.